Hello teacher, good afternoon. My name is Wiliam Heredia and I am going to talk about using classroom-based language assessment. First of all, I'm going to give some ideas about teaching, assessment, and testing. It's three things that have to be connected at the same time to to be successful in the learning language process. And also, you can't teach without assessment. Assessment is very important. Why? Questions I have here. What is language teaching? Why do I teach? What is a language teaching? Why do I do? Because new students, they need to communicate with another community, or they have to make their university studies or something like that. Next, what is a language assessment? Why do I assess? So, because I have to know how the process learning in the student are working. If they are catching the ideas, they are catching the objective that you have as a teacher, and you need the students to get it. Also, what are the similarities and differences between language teaching and language assessment? Remember, tests. First, I'm going to talk about tests. Tests we do at the end of any cycle of study, like midterm, or at the end of school year, or at the end of the month, depend, and it will be graded. And assessment, you can these are things that you can do every day by observation, by listening, by doing group work, and also as assessment is a process and where you can check all the weaknesses of the students and try to do the feedback. And also you can check the interpretation of the students, how they are catching the language teaching. Also the attitude of the students, if they are catching as you need, like if they are knowing what are you saying or what are you doing in a language teaching process. Also the expectations of the students, if they really need to know about this new language, or if they are doing as an thing that you have to do in school, for example. And this is the first question. Second question is second questions. Why do we use language assessment? Why? Because you need to collect information about the students' knowledge, to check the ability of the students, where are the most weaknesses of the students: reading, pronunciation, speaking, and all of those stuffs. To get the knowledge of the students, how much do they know, if they are good to go to the next class, or they are good to go to the next unit, some things like that. To make decisions as a students, as a teachers, or as a school. So if the curriculum is working, for example, or if the book is working. Next question is, why do we link students' assessment performance to the beneficial consequences that we want to help bring about? And I think this is a chain that we have to put together, the whole thing, like students' assessment performance, and to bring to the students to act, to interact, and in the class, to interact with the teacher in group works, and to have clear the learning purpose. Like I said at the beginning, if the students need to know, they want to know, or it's just a request. And to make the students confident You put all the things together to tell them that they can do it, or try to feedback their weaknesses, and they work together with the students and teacher, and try to get better also. And we do this to make the students some motivation, so they are not graded in this aspect as assessment, and they can check all the mistakes and correct all these things. So this is a big motivation for them to keep studying a new language. Thank you very much.